Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau, and I have amazing Excel online course. Uh, I call it online school, or just simply amazing Excel school. And I have a lot of courses that I design, and there is a Excel basic level for free, a free life skills, and this is completely free. You can just click on it. And now let's look at one. Now, how to get today's date. In Excel, you use the today function. If you want it to be constantly changed, that's the today's date. Or you can use the control semicolon to enter today's date. And how do you add 3 months from this today's date or this timestamp date? Is that you use a function called edate. Edate. From this date, you add 3 months. And that is, if you take a look at here, 3 months, exactly 3 months. Ignoring 31, 30, some months have 30 days, some months 31. They just want to add 3 months from that date. Or you want to count backwards, how to go back to the previous quarters, and that is this. You put a negative to represent that. Okay, so now this is in Excel. How do you do it? Replicate this feature in Powerquery, and that is to use this. Add 3 months from the current date, and you have 3 functions right here. Well, what does that mean? Well, first we take a look at this. It's right here, the date time. You look at the inner part first. This is to get the current date and time. This is like a today's function in Excel, and there's one more step is required, which is to convert it to a date by calling the datetime.date. And finally, once you have that, you call the date.add months, and these are the dates. You just put it inside, and this is 3 is just represent this 3 here to add 3 months from this date. And yeah, so let's begin. Go to here, and you go to the data tab, go to get data, and go to from other sources, and go for blank query. And so we will enter, start with equal sign, then date time dot local now, and you can choose this, click on it. Oh, that's not right. See, that's not really right. You just need to type it. Otherwise, dot local now, and open parenthesis, close parenthesis. You need to have that because that is the M language. Now it tells you the current date and current time. But if you're only interested in the date part, then this is what you do: date time dot date. So you're going to get the date function now, and enter. All right, that is the date part. Now finally, you can call the date function dot add months, comma, put 3 at behind it. That means symbolize that from the October 20 of 2021, now you've advanced it to the next quarter. Exactly. And finally, you got this done. You can go to table. You got the date, and you go to home, and you can close and load. to a new worksheet with that one date right here. Now, this is not represents a date. We can go back to the query connection, or you can always go back there, go to data, look at this query connection if you accidentally close it. See, closing it. So now double click on this query and click on this button, change it to date, and close and load. It should return to a date. So what do you want to do with the date function? Let me know. So I hope that in this video you learn how to use date, how to enter the current date, and how to add 3 months using the eDate. And from here, understand the concept in Excel will help you to create your next Power Query in M language, adding 3 months. And finally, this repeats. 3 is represent 3 months. Getting the current dates, extracting only the date part. The local now is the date time. We only get the date, and with the date, you will call the add months M language and add 3 months from there. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia.